Do you love pesto, but wish you had an easier way to drizzle it on everything? If so, stay tuned.
Yes, I do.
I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Stay tuned, because fun recipe coming up.
I kind of messed you up.
You usually do. All right.
Hey everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Kadee, and welcome to Pizza with Plants.
So we've made like, I don't know, 4 different pesto recipes. We love pesto.
At least.
All vegan, obviously. Mm-hmm. But we wanted to come up with something that was like a drizzle, that was easy to drizzle on bowls or pizzas in our case. Mm-hmm. And so today we're making a pesto drizzle. So we're taking our base recipe of pesto. I've changed some of the ratios, and then we're adding a couple things. So you still got your basil, toasted pine nuts. We've got our salt, pepper, nutritional yeast. We're using the follow your heart parmesan, garlic, olive oil. But then we're going to add a little bit of vegan mayo and a little bit of vegan cream cheese.
Why don't we just add more oil to make it thinner?
Because this is the recipe that I came up with.
Okay, just asking, because I'm sure one of our friends will ask.
Okay, you're fired.
I'm not fired, he's fired.
So
being preempted.
This should be super, super tasty, and again, super
quick
fun,
and
just
easy.
to kind of, super easy.
Are we going to put it in one of our drizzle bottles?
Yes, for pizza. We will drizzle it on, I'll just squirt you in the face. That's what I'm going to do.
Oh, great. Okay.
So the wheels are coming off the track. All right, let's make some pesto drizzle.
We're going to get our pan nice and warm and then put in our pine nuts, letting them slowly toast to a nice golden brown. When they're at the desired color, we're going to set them aside and let them cool before we mix our pesto. Into the Vitamix goes our fresh basil, toasted pine nuts, garlic, our vegan parmesan, our nutritional yeast and spices, and last, our vegan mayo and cream cheese. Well, actually, there's one more thing, olive oil. Keep some to the side so that you can add olive oil as needed to get the consistency that you're looking for. In our case, we're looking for maximum drizzle.
Okay.
I love pesto.
I know you do. I like pesto too.
I think this is going to be good.
Yes, I think it's going to be really good. So we have pesto drizzle. So it's a little bit smoother. So the idea behind this, as you saw when we made it, is it's meant to be a little thinner. We're going to use it to squeeze it onto a pizza that we're making soon, but it's got a little bit more creaminess and cheesiness because we added the cream cheese and the mayo. Oh, somebody's just going to town.
Well, I was doing it while you were talking, because otherwise you're just
going to keep talking.
You're give you something to put in your mouth and try.
So, it looks really good. I think I need more on mine.
Of course you do.
Yeah.
These are not bite-sized, Christine.
Damn it. I was just going to put the whole thing in my mouth.
I know you were. I'm like, please don't.
They're like little vitamins, pesto vitamins. It's super intense.
But creamier.
It's got the cream cheese really adds a nice,
creaminess to it.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the basil almost seems more intense for whatever reason, but that's really yummy. It's going to be super yummy on the pizza.
Yes.
So you could almost follow this recipe and use it on pasta.
Totally.
I mean, you could
it's just almost a richer flavor because of the creaminess.
Yeah.
So
really good.
Yummy.
Nice.
Cheers.
Right. Hope
you were
you guys
just trying to steal mine. I know you were.
I totally was. I'm going to take it out in the knees and eat it.
It's that good.
Yes. Hope you've enjoyed watching this.
Be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants.
See ya.
I'm finishing mine.
You're good.